Hey there! In this video, I will give you real ways you can make money playing video games. Stay tuned to know how your PlayStation or Xbox can bring you money. Well, if you are an avid gamer and love to play video games all day, then you can now turn this hobby into a full-time profession. Make money playing trivial games online. Although playing trivia games online isn't going to make you enough money, however, it can be a great way to get started. Swagbucks. Other than paying for clicking ads, watching videos, or taking surveys, Swagbucks also pays for playing games online. You can start with playing free games that earns you SBs. If you want to make more money, then you have to join their pay-to-play program. You can earn up to 4 cents to 5 cents on each $1 you spend for playing games, and you can deposit money into your GSN account and get started. Inbox Dollars. Just like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars also pays you for playing games. After you deposit money into your account, Inbox Dollar will connect you with World Winner accounts. You can earn from 1 cent to 4 cents on each $1 you spent. You also earn 0.5% to 2% cash back on every dollar you spend entering the cash tournaments. HQ Trivia. You can also earn by downloading apps onto your mobile phone. HQ Trivia is one of the most popular gaming apps right now. On an average, HQ pool price is about $2,500. You have to compete in 12 rounds of tricky trivia for the chance to split the prize pool. Make money playing video games. If you don't like playing trivial games online, then you can play video games on your PC or console like PlayStation 4 or Xbox. Here you sign up with the website, download the software on your PC, select a game you want to play from the list, and after achieving certain target, you earn rewards or points. For example, one of the most popular gaming website, Playweek.com, rewards you with Playweek coins, which can be later redeemed for real money and retrieved through PayPal. They pay you for completing quests through the leaderboard. Some of the games that you can play are Fortnite, League of Legends, Hearthstone, Rocket League, Overwatch. 1,000 Playweek coins is $1. Different games pay you differently. On an average, you can earn anything between 30 cents and $3 per hour depending upon your gaming experience. Another more popular gaming website is Players Lounge. You play with other games online on PlayStation 4, Xbox One, or on your PC. Players Lounge gives you very competitive, high-risk, high-reward environment. Here you have to pay an entry fee to join the game. For example, Madden 19 charges $20 and prize $36, but Fortnite's entry fee is $2.5 and prize is $4.5. The maximum challenge amount to be earned is $500. Join an esports. Esports are for more experienced and skilled players. This is the only way to make some serious cash legitimately as a gamer. The pool prize can be up to $1 million, starting from $100,000. Epic Games Fortnite paid around $100 million to the gamers this year. In 2017, Valve's Dota 2 paid out over $38 million in total prize. If you are among the best and top gamers, you'll be able to find tournaments online that offer prizes for winners. Esports is open for everyone. You simply have to beat other gamers to prove your worth. PC games like League of Legends, Overwatch, Dota 2, and others have tournaments that give you an opportunity to earn extra money playing video games. Money will be split between you and your team members. Finding a group of skilled gamers to a team can be a difficult task. Game testing. Game testing is basically a quality assurance job where you check for bugs, rate, and report them. Game testing jobs can be considered as a side hustle because money isn't that great. On an average, a game tester is paid anything between $10 to $15 per testing session. A full-time game tester can make around $15,000 to $35,000 in a year. You can find game testing jobs at Indeed.com or Monster.com. Having a college degree really increases the odds for getting hired. From the outside, it looks easy, but from inside, game testing job isn't that glamorous. Some other ways to make money playing games are earning PlayStation trophies. 1,000 points can be traded for $10. This is exclusive to USA only. Sell your account. You can sell your high-value gaming account to other gamers. Play games on Steam. You earn crates here, and per crate can be sold for 50 cents. Although the money with playing games isn't that great, but you can definitely earn some extra cash having fun. Thank you for watching this video, and we are preparing tons more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.